When you log in, you'll always be greeted by the dashboard. As you can see here, we have a shipping dashboard and a tracking dashboard. Once you select which one you want to look at, you can select a date range to see the data. As you can see, I can see my completed shipments, total shipments and failed creations, along with bar graphs and pie charts to give me full data across all of my shipments. With the tracking dashboard, it gives me the data based on tracking events of my shipments. We also have a heat map for the UK and delivery performance by the couriers.